Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to unlock the new CYPHER assault rifle in Black Ops 6. So let's get straight into the video. So just make your way over to weapons. From weapons go over to loadouts, and then from loadouts go over to the loadout that you want to change, and then from here make your way over to the assault rifles, and the CYPHER 091 should be on the bottom. Now it does say in order to unlock it you have to unlock it in the Black Ops 6 battle pass, so you can make your way over to the battle pass, and then let's see what tier it's at. It should be, this is the Fang 82. It should be one of the free guns that you unlock. There we go, CYPHER 091, and it is page 8, so it is quite on the end of the battle pass. But if you want to unlock it, you will just have to grind the battle pass. And a quick tip is you can pop a battle pass XP token. You should have double XP battle pass. You should have one at least if you've been playing for a while. But you can go ahead and pop one, and then you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.